In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to update your sales tax rate in QuickBooks Online. First, open QuickBooks Online in Google Chrome and sign in to your company. Chrome tends to give the best performance with QuickBooks, reducing glitches while you make account changes. Once you're in, take a moment to confirm you're in the correct company file if you manage more than one, so the updates go to the right place. Next, look at the left-hand navigation and click Taxes, then select Sales Tax. This is your central hub for all things sales tax, including agencies, rates, and how QuickBooks applies tax to your transactions. If the page takes a second to load, that's normal. Just give it a moment. On the sales tax page, look for the option that says Manage Sales Tax. Go ahead and click it. This area is where you control the tax settings your account uses. If you're in a region with automated sales tax, some settings may be managed for you. Otherwise, you'll see the list of rates and agencies you can edit. Now select the tax agency you need to update. This could be your state, province, or another local jurisdiction. If you see several agencies listed, choose the one that actually collects the tax you charge your customers. Accuracy matters here, so double check the agency name and location before you proceed. With the agency open, edit the tax rate to reflect the current rate. It's best practice to verify the latest percentage directly from your state or local revenue website so you're using an official number. Enter the rate carefully, paying attention to decimals. Small mistakes can add up over many invoices. If your location uses a combined rate, make sure the total matches what the agency requires. When you're done, save your changes. QuickBooks will now apply this updated rate to your future transactions. Keep in mind that changes typically aren't retroactive, so past invoices and receipts won't automatically update. If you have open invoices or recurring transactions, review them to ensure the correct rate is being used moving forward. That's it. You opened QuickBooks Online in Chrome and signed in, navigated to Taxes and Sales Tax, went into Manage Sales Tax, chose the correct agency, edited the rate to match current rules, and saved your changes so they apply from now on. If you ever notice your tax totals look off, revisit this area and confirm the agency and rate. And as a tip, set a reminder to check your local agency's website periodically so you stay compliant when rates change.